Hi Rajneesh, how are you?
Yes. Okay.
Your name is Rajneen.
Yeah. Yes, Rajinin.
Very nice name.
Okay.
Where are you from?
From Jalandhar.
Oh, are you from Jalandhar? Very nice. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Shilpa, and I live in I live in Delhi in Karol Bagh. Did you
Yeah.
have did Have you ever heard about the Delhi or in Karol Bagh?
Uh, yeah. No, no Delhi
Okay.
Crol Bagh. I'm
Okay.
Delhi only for Delhi railway station.
Okay. You know only about the Delhi
Uh,
railway station.
yes.
Okay, very nice.
Okay. So can I introduce myself?
Yeah, definitely, please.
Okay. My name is Rajinin Kumar. I live in
Okay.
Jalandhar for 2 years.
Okay.
I okay. So my completed graduation 2018, and uh, my hobbies playing cricket and volleyball. And
Okay, very nice.
most
Mhm.
most famous other people are conversation.
Okay.
Yes. Apart from time preparation government job, that's little
Okay.
bit.
Which sector?
Yeah,
In
that's
which
little bit.
area? Sorry, in which
Yeah.
sector?
Government job defense line.
Defense line. Okay, very nice.
Okay.
Glad to know about you.
So okay. So
Yes.
ma'am, when you started this platform, uh, English learning journey.
Actually, I have been learning English for 2 years by my
Yeah.
own self. I did not have learned about, I did not have learned from
Yeah.
anyone. Actually, I have learned by my own side. Just
Very nice.
yes.
So first time following this YouTube channel.
Yes, I have my YouTube channel. You can go and watch my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Grow with Shilpa.
Grow
Grow with Shilpa. Yes,
grow with Silpa. Yes.
Shilpa, not Shilpa.
Okay.
I'm going to share you my link so that you can easily
Yes. Of
my
course.
channel. Yeah, I have sent right now.
Okay. Of course. Follow now. Follow now me.
Definitely. Yeah. If you
Yeah.
have, please, you can do
No.
same.
No YouTube channel. No. No running. I have no YouTube channel.
Okay.
No. And so. Okay, ma'am. So okay. Any ask a question and after after me question. Okay.
Sorry.
So, any ask question.
I want to ask one question. How long have you been learning this language?
Okay. So first time first time follow this follow YouTube channel
Uh-huh.
English learning with AK starting
English learn with?
English learning with AK YouTube channel first time follow me
Okay. Okay.
and and uh, and five vocabulary every day five vocabulary and sentences uh,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, please tell me. I can
Okay.
understand
So
what are you saying.
I I first time joined this app along 6 days. Along
Okay.
6 days.
Then
I'm beginner.
okay. So how is your experience?
Yes. I'm beginner and 6 days longer join this platform.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So definitely follow YouTube channel first time. English learning with AK,
Okay,
and every day one and two videos watching.
good, very good.
Yeah, and improve my communication skill slowly. Improvement.
Improving, improving. Your
Yes,
speaking skills
improve.
is improving gradually. Yes.
Yeah. So other people are asking me. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Other peoples are asking me question.
Mm-hmm.
English. How to improve English language?
Okay.
So I suggest him.
I
Uh,
suggested him.
I suggested him
Yes.
first of all follow YouTube channel anyone, and every day watching one video and vocabulary and sentences,
Okay.
and day by day practice.
Very nice. You have
Yes.
suggested very amazing thing. That please watch one video every day and learn how much you can learn from that video.
Yes, and that's improving 5 days and 6 days. That's improved.
Improved. Okay.
Yeah. So, ma'am, any ask question?
Okay. Now,
Yes.
actually, I want to. Why do you want to learn this language?
Yes. Okay. So, first of all, uh, every competition exam. So, more and more English language uh, complete more and more English language. Uh, More and more English language.
To be
Next,
learned.
to be learned. Okay.
Oh, yes, can be
And
learned, or more and more language can be learned easily by using, by
yes,
practicing
yes,
every day, right?
yes, yes. Especially purpose government job.
Okay,
Yes. So it's English language preparation.
okay,
Yes.
very nice. You are doing very great job, and you will definitely improve your English language. But with that
Yes.
time, you will definitely achieve your goal. That is that you want to be fluent in English, you want to become fluent in English, you will definitely first just keep it in your mind. You have
Yes. Yes.
to express yourself every day. You have to speak about yourself or about anything or about any other person. You have to express every day. You will
Yes.
definitely be fluent.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, your communication skill better better
Uh,
than to me.
Thank you so much. Actually, I
Yeah.
have improved my English language
Yes.
by my own self.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very
Huh.
very nice. So your communication skill very impressive to me.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Nice
So
to
ma'am,
and
you, okay.
yeah, yes,
So,
boliye.
your opinion, English language easily fluently spoken. Your opinion.
Dekho, in my opinion, I would like to say if you practice every day in a right way, you will
Yes.
Learn this language gradually, but with the time. Day by day, you will improve, you will move ahead the next level. Uh, I'm not talking about this language is easy to learn or any language is easy to learn, but also say this language is not that much tough that people think about.
Okay.
Okay, if you want
Okay.
to, if you have to made your if you make up your mind to learn this language or any language or anything, then you can do anything. Just you have to keep it in your mind that you have to practice every day, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you will not see the result, but gradually when you do repeat it again and again and every time in if you give yourself at least half an hour, you will see the improvement in your life, in your tongue. Just you have to speak because you want to be fluent, then you have to speak. You have to work on your spoken language, right?
So, ma'am, first time your English journey, yes. So, facing that challenges,
I have faced multiple challenges while learning this language. Multiple challenges. If you can watch my YouTube channel as well, that my first video, watch my first video. I was hesitating, I was stuttering, I was doing everything that other people do, right?
yes,
But
yes,
but I keep it in my mind that I have to be consistent to learn this language, and without consistency, without doing practice, without speaking every day, we can't be able to speak this language. Got it? So you have
okay,
to speak every day. As I am speaking, I have been speaking for 1 year continuously. Got it?
yes, yes, yes,
So I have shared my YouTube channel. You can go and watch how I describe the thing, how I make the stories. You can
yes, yes,
go and watch, learn. If you are interested, you can call me. You can, whenever I get time, I will connect with you. Right?
yeah. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, what other peoples are okay?
Uh, Sorry, what
Other
other people are? Sorry.
okay. Other peoples are uh, told to crazy. Told me crazy. And English language is no doesn't
For you.
uh,
It's not for you.
yes,
No, it is actually, see, listen to me carefully. What people
yes,
think about you, let them think. Because uh, their work is let them think. Okay. Don't think
yeah,
about that what people think about you. If you think about the people think what people think about you, then what they think about, so let them think. Okay, whatever they are speaking, whatever they are telling, let them. Okay.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
focus. Don't focus kind of this person who do not increase you, who
yes,
always decreased you. ठीक है?
yes, yes, yes,
Don't think. Just think about how you can be good from the last day. For example, that you are speaking, how you
yes,
can be improved next day,
yes,
how you can be improved other next day. You have to focus just this thing. Don't think what people think about you. Let them
absolutely,
okay?
yes,
My messages. Whenever I get time, I will connect with you. Okay? Mr. Rajneen Kumar.
yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time for me to conversation, to communicate with me. Okay? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.